Hey everyone, I've been asked by Sansi to do a review on their LED light bulbs. These particular light bulbs come in a packet of two. They are 250 watt equivalent to an incandescent light bulb, but they only use 27 watts of power, which is very cool. Let me bring you in close and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so let's check out this light. Here you have a fact sheet, and I'll go through what this says on here in a second. Let's check out the light. Now that's very cool. Boy, you can say that's pretty well vented, huh? Alright, so let's see here what they say about this light. This is a 3500 lumens light. Now lumens is the brightness of the light bulb. You can look at it as your watts. The old incandescent bulbs, if you wanted to buy a 40 watt, 60 watt, 100 watt light bulb in the old days, that you knew that it was the brightness of the light. Although it used that amount of wattage also, but you knew how bright the light was. Now they're switching over to lumens. Lumens is the same thing. The more lumens, the brighter the light will be. This is 3500 lumens, which is equivalent to 250 watts of the old style incandescent light bulbs. Okay. Also, this light is a 3000 K. Now, K or Kelvin is a way of measuring the color of the light. This is 3000 K, so it is a warm white light. I'm going to show you a chart here where it shows you where the 3000 K falls. It is a little more towards the yellow spectrum of the light, which is a warm, soft light, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, things like that, even kitchens. Just basically your interior light for your house. It's very good for that. When you get to like 4500 5K light, that's more of a white, crisp, clean color, just basically a white color, no color in the light. And when you start getting above 5500, you start getting more into your bluish colors, and which I personally don't like. So 3000K is perfect for inside, living room, bedrooms, and things like that. Now they say this light will last 22.8 years. That's based on 3 hours a day of use. Very cool. That's a long time. Even if this thing lasted only 10 years, I mean truly lasted 10 years, that would be great. But 22.8 years, that's awesome. The bottom of the light here, the part you screw in here to the socket, is your standard E26 light bulb socket. So this will fit anything in your house, basically. This has no lead or mercury to worry about. There's no UV or infrared light. Meets international safety standards. It's got a 5-year warranty, which means you are covered for replacement or refund should any quality related problems happen. So that's extra assurance there. It's got a rugged hollow housing design, imported premium LED chips and patented ceramic heat dissipation technology, ensuring excellent heat dissipation and long-lasting performance. The angle of the light. Now you can see it's got 3 rows of LED lights here, but the light direction is 270 degrees, so I'm assuming it's shooting straight up and out to this way here, about 270 degrees. Boy, look at the design of that, the ventilation. Now all your circuitry, your circuit panel and all that, or circuit board I should say, is all inside here. Really nice, because now although LEDs, these don't get super hot at all, the heat that it does produce will shoot out of here and draw in cool air from the bottom and from behind the LED lights also. Awesome. Alright guys, so on this lamp here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the CFL bulb that's in here and replace it with this Sansi LED light. Now this one here is a 100-watt light bulb, which I think it uses, this one uses 24 watts. Okay, that shows you a difference there. This puts out 3,500 lumens, 250 watts, equivalent to the old incandescent light bulbs, but it only uses 27 watts. Okay, this is a 100-watt equivalent of the old incandescent light bulbs, but it's CFL. It's those fluorescent tube lights, spirals, but it uses 24. So 100 watts uses 24, where this is 250 watts uses only 27 watts. Very cool, huh? All right, so let me show you what this looks like first, so you can see the light difference. Okay, so let me shut these overhead lights off, and I'll turn this one on. Okay, now I'm going to turn this on here. This one here is, I think, 2700 K, which is a little bit more on the yellow side compared to the 3000 K of the Sansi. Okay, so next I'm going to show you, I'm going to put this light in and I'll show you the difference in light. Alright, I just screwed in the LED light in here and I'm going to turn it on. Wow, big difference. Big difference. Wow, this is really nice. Anyways, this is the old CFL lights here that I changed. And as you can see, there's a big difference. Very nice. Actually, it's a very pleasant light. It's much brighter than these, but yet it's not overpowering. It's not real. There's not a lot of glare. I know you guys can't see me because of the backlight here, but that's very powerful. Very nice. All right, guys. I took the lampshade off just to show you what the bulb looks like when it's on. It's pretty bright. I can't even stare into those LEDs, they're so bright. I know that my camera is compensating right now for the extra brightness, but yeah, you can't even look into those things. They're that bright. All right, guys, this is another bedroom in our house. We're going to try it out on this lamp here. This lamp also has a CFL also, and we're going to turn this on. And that's pretty yellow. And okay, let's take this one off. And that's what that was. This here is a 2700K, and it's a 23, so it's basically a 100-watt light bulb. And you saw how yellow and actually how dim that looked. So now we're going to try the LED. All right. All right, here we go. Wow. Big difference. Big difference. Nice. Yeah, I like these bulbs. All right, guys, so I do like the light. It is a little pricey. 50 bucks for a 2-pack of these. You know, you got to start thinking about what's 50 bucks in 22.8 years. It's really nothing. You know, we have this mindset that we have to buy the cheapest bulb there is and put it in there, and it'll last about a year or two, and they burn out. in my bedroom here, I got 2, 4, I got 5 of them, 6 of them, plus the ones in my ceiling fans, and they're all CFLs. And I'm replacing these things every year or so. Every year I'm replacing 1 or 2 of these. I turn on the switch and one burns out. So yeah, these are a little pricey, but they should last 22 to 23 years. So that's pretty impressive. Alright guys, so in conclusion here, I do like the light. It is a little pricey, but when you work it out into 22, 23 years, it's really nothing, okay? They are very, very energy efficient. Now, when you look at 250 watts of light or 3,500 lumens of light brightness, and it only uses 27 watts, that is awesome. That is really good. So, I mean, I remember when I was a kid, I'd be in my room, my dad shutting the light off on me because I was wasting electricity. So you don't have to worry about that with these, okay? LEDs in general, basically. But especially this, 250 watts and only using 27 watts. That's pretty good. I'm going to put a link below to the Amazon page. They look for the promotions. They do have promotions all the time on the page there. And I think if you buy like 2 of these 2 packs, you get so much off or whatever they have. They have different promotions, so check it out. And you'll save yourself a little bit of money that way. Alright guys, so appreciate you watching. Check these out. I'll put a link to their website, sansyled.com, and check all their lights. They're very cool. And you can buy them on Amazon. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.